All right, today we're going to bring a portable toilet. Now this one has a reservoir for water, and if you guys can see, it comes with instructions too, also with one O-ring too. Now the instructions can be found underneath the actual cover too, so just to make sure, if you guys are aware, if you lose those instructions, they're in here. Now there's two parts of the actual structure here. The top is the reservoir where it contains the water and also the seat. The bottom, it's going to be disposed of the waste, and it has the actual system to pull out. I'm going to show you how to do it. Right now it's green, that means it's not full, and I'm going to show you in the bottom part how to use this. Right, so let's go ahead and test it out. You're going to see how it works. All right, to fill it up with water, it's simple. It goes through here. All right, once you have your waste done, you pull the lever here, and then you got to pick this up. Once you have this lever open, all you got to do is pump the water. You guys can see it pumping the water. We're gonna try to pump it all so we can actually empty it out. Just make sure you're aware. You could even do this while it's closed too, so you don't have, so no spills can be happening. So you could do this. So this is a little stiff, so make sure you do that, and make sure that this is out when you're doing it. You can see the line getting full already because we're actually adding water to it. So we're going to try to see if we can fill it up as much as we can from the bottom, from the top to the bottom. All right, to dispose of the waste in the bottom, to remove, you take this off. All right, the bottom comes off, if you guys can see it, and all your waste is in here. Now on this part right here, it turns this way, if you guys can see. Now here you could put your chemicals, so you could put deodorant or any kind of so it could maintain the smell in here. All the waste is in here already, and it's completely full. Right now, for demo purposes, we are using water. All right, at the end of the day, you grab your waste here, and you will take this to a sanitary area where you're gonna have to properly dispose of. Right now we have water. That's how you dispose of it. The water comes on here. You could properly take this anywhere to a sewage facility, or maybe your toilet, and dispose of it properly. So we're gonna put it back in here in place. Putting it back in place. Make sure when you're doing this, wear gloves. Now the bottom portion does have rubber ends, so it won't slip off from anywhere. This is the bottom portion that you need to get rid of the waste. Whenever you guys go camping, it's good to have one of these tents too also, and get some privacy going. All right, and let me show you a little bit how it is. All right, so it's in there. We have a large little tent here, you guys can see, very secure. Take this portable anywhere, get rid of the actual excessive sewage. It's an indicator if you have full or empty. Green is empty, red is full. With a combination of a tent, great to take with you, portable. Both systems are portable, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.